In this video, I will learn how to reset MySQL password on Windows 11. I already installed MySQL, but it's say I forget my password. Let's start. Go to the search box, services, open click, scroll, MySQL 18, right click, stop, minimize. On search box, file, open click, scroll, this PC, E drive, new file, text document, click MySQL -init, press enter. Right click, notepad, on type, alter user, root localhost, identified by Amith.Thoughts. File click, save, minimize. On search box, cmd, open click, cd, double quotation, minimize, file click, this PC, C drive click, program files click, scroll, MySQL server 8.0, click, bin click, copy path, copy, minimize, cmd, paste, enter press, minimize, file, this PC click, C drive click, program data click, scroll, MySQL double click, MySQL server 8.0, double click, right click, copy as path, click copy, minimize, cmd open, on type, MySQL face -- defaults, -file equal to double quotation, minimize, this PC click, program data, MySQL server 8.0, me, right click, copy as path, cmd open and paste, quotation minimize, slash quotation minus, on type, space -init -file equal to minimize, E folder, right click, copy as path, minimize, cmd open, copy, minimize quotation, right click, task manager, Windows command processor, right click, end task, minimize, services, open click, scroll, MySQL, right click, start, minimize, cmd, click open, MySQL, u space root -p and press enter. New password. MySQL reset password successful. Thank you for watching.